everyone. I'm going to be doing the second problem here. So go ahead and I'm going to be doing on the program that I showed last assignment or last example. So I'm going to try to find something better for you guys, but just be patient with me. Thanks. So it's number 2. A car accelerates from 25 miles an hour to 55 miles in 8.0083 hours. One thing before we get started, I had to check is that are all these units for time correct? And they are. So we're good. Okay, I'm not going to give you anything super hard. I don't need to, I feel like this is almost too much as it is. Okay. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and post that on the program right here. We're going to dissect the problem. We're going to draw it, and that's going to kind of do the same thing. So a car accelerates from 25 miles an hour to 55 miles an hour in 8.0083 hours. Okay. And they did that because it's just in a few seconds, but they didn't want to have you convert all that. Okay. And what is it? Acceleration. Okay. This is going to be, I think, a little bit faster car than the last problem. So the first thing we're going to do is draw a picture. So the car, I'm going to just draw my pretty car. I'm going to draw a little fancier. Okay. And it's already moving, and then it's going to go faster. All right, that's all I need. You guys just need to process it so that it's just going to go a little bit faster over a period of time. Okay. So I'm going to find my knowns and unknowns. So I have VF so equals VI equals and T and ACC. Okay. So my final speed is 55. Speed or velocity, it's the same thing. Miles per hour. My initial is 25 miles per hour. And my time is 0.00083 hours. Now that 0.0083 hours looks really confusing, but basically it's about 30 seconds. So I just calculated it really quick so you guys can get some reference, but I'm not going to even write it down because I don't want to confuse you. Okay, so we did that. Oh, not what is our acceleration? So it's trying to find our unknown. Okay, alrighty. So now we just need to do the math. We're just going to find the equation. So 55, I'm going to do my VF, boom, minus my VI, which is 25. Now this is important. In some cases, in some problems, it's not that important. But in this one, it can change the value. And on this, our car is speeding up, so our value is going to be positive. Remember parentheses. Why? Because it needs to be done first. Please excuse my dear Aunt Sally. Over 0.0083. Now, I am not going to do the true math behind this, so this is going to be backwards. So 55 subtract 25 enter. Sorry, it's all backwards. Divided by 0.0083. And then you're going to, I'm not a professional at this. Oh, see if that's right. Now there are online calculators. I'm not going to be using it too much. There are on your computer. I can load that up, but for the little bit of math, I'd hate to have all that happen. So this is what I got for an answer. Okay. And I had to double, triple check. That's why I had a little pause there because I wanted to make sure I did it correctly. Okay. And so I got 3, 6, 1, 4.5. And again, this was miles per hour. This change in units or change in velocity, it's per hour. Now remember, it is miles per hour squared because we are changing our speed over a duration of time. And remember, speed is distance over time. So again, it's miles per hour per hour. But this looks a lot nicer, so I'm not going to even mess with that. Let's check to see if I had the correct answer. And boom, I sure did. Okay. And next to problem number 3, see, this was 3 minutes quicker.